viewers! Welcome back to my channel, and for this video, I'm gonna unbox this. Oh my god, wait lang. Oh my god, wait, where is that? I'm gonna unbox this. Oh my god, wait lang. Is it
real? Yes, this is real.
So I have here my first ever, investing as of the price. So I have this Canon EOS M50. So I think I waited for since July. I've been waiting for this because I ordered this online internationally, and I would like to give credits to my friend. Shout out to the handsome Wilson. I'm gonna put your picture. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your the means for me. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this. I don't know. Actually, open ko na sa kanya to para sure. So, I only bought this for 24K-ish. It's really cheap. When compared if you're going to buy this. Oh my god, this is it. So, I have here, you can see it clearly. So, yeah, this thing, I don't know what this is for. Okay, a training voucher. Oh my god, the manual that no one ever reads at all. And there's, oh my god, look at this handbook or manual things like in different languages. And oh my gee, this is it. Wait a minute. Okay, the charger. I think this is the charger. Here we have the battery. It's only one battery. I'm also planning to buy two spare batteries online. And the strap. Oh my god. The strap. Oh, they even have cord for the charger. So cool. They even have this. Oh my god, this is the cam. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. OMG. Is it yummy? What I'm gonna say? OMG, AJ. My sister's right here. Look at this. Oh my god. My hands are already on these beauty. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Later, I'm gonna try to do vlog this. For now, I'm just using my sister's phone. Oh my god, this is it. I can grip it like this. OMG. And the kit lens. Wait a minute. Let me do this. And the kit lens. OMG. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, a little ASMR. I think this is a bubble wrap. Hello. Oh my god, it's so nice. So sensitive. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, is this real? Wait, can I do this thing? Wow. Whew. Yeah, this served as my birthday gift for myself last June, but I ordered this online as July, and today's November 5 and I just got this, so it's worth the wait. Thank you again, Wilson, my handsomest friend. Yeah, he lives in Texas. Okay, I'm gonna try to put this thing. Oh my god, turn it on. Let's try to turn this on. Okay, wait, the battery is not here yet, so I'm gonna open this thing. Wait, I'm not. Oh my god, what if this falls? So actually, I have my old camera that's not for video and it's simply Nikon, but it really takes, good pictures of moon because it has like, I don't know, the maximum zoom that you can do. But this one only has like 15. Yeah, it's the 1545 millimeter lens. It's simply the kit lens for this. It comes with the cam. This is the camera, and I'm gonna insert this. Okay. Card bad open. And there is it. Okay. Is this how? Oh my god. Okay, there's the arrow. Okay. And locked. And turn on. Oh my god. Time. Time is it? Okay, maybe later I can set this up or now. Today is November 5. Oh my god, look at that. Thank you, Lord, so much. I prayed for this. I even dreamt of this camera for how many nights? And now it's here. That's day. Okay, enter, and then this one. November, and then the year 20. It's your 2017 here. Maybe that's the year it was released. Not sure. 2020. Jay, what time is it? 5:25. Okay, feels surreal. 5:25. Okay, double T. What is this one? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Look at this flip cam here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Sorry, I'm just so happy. Oh god. I even canvassed for so many cameras online. And yeah, I just planned to settle for, a cam that wants address all the needs I want in a cam. So it's even touch screen. Oh my god. it doesn't have memory card in it, so but I have spare, so I can do this. So later I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna use it later. So here's the cam. Thank you. Later I'm gonna try to do vlog tip. This one only has like 15. That's the 1545 millimeter. It's simply the kit lens. Siya. Nakabit ko na yung kit lens. Then the memory card, and I'm gonna try the microphone as well. I bought mic like months ago. Vlog this from the camera where I have an electric fan behind this camera, and around it's kind of noisy. Hi early birds! Wala tayong mic. Hindi ba naka-install yung mic? But yeah, again, this is another vlog test that I'll be including in my unboxing video of this camera. This is my photographer at home. This is my youngest sister. You know her. She's always part of all my videos, and so again, see you.